Good morning, this is Latino Johnny, aka Lieutenant Alderain. We're out here having a nice little park at the walk, and I've only had one cup of coffee this morning, so you know, I was like, fuck it. I don't really like that everybody's a hater. I can hear them talking shit in their place, and so I figured I'd just fucking bang on them one time. I was going to cover the cosmic rope theory. It builds on special relativity and the cosmic string theory. The problem is I have like fucking 6th grade math. I can barely add or subtract. So I just try and break it down simply as I can. I have a towel that I normally use that describes it, but then I'm going to need my buddy to help me with the towel thing. But essentially, black holes, when a star explodes and a black hole is created, it pulls the fabric and the multiverse together. And so fucking what it does is it brings multiple universes together. And so, and fucking twists fucking, say there's a string connection to each universe together, and like say you got like a cube, right? On the corner, each corner of the cube, there's a fucking universe. And when the star explodes, the black hole twists the fucking cube together, bringing all the galaxies, not all the galaxies, all the universes close together. And so what happens is it's like a bubble bath. You know what I mean? Fucking all the bubbles, you know, when the bubbles get too close together and they're kind of connected. That's what a space-time portal is. And so what happens is you got this big chunk of fucking the multiverse that's twisted, right? And so you can go fucking, there's two ways to get to your location A. There's two ways to get to fucking location C. You can go right across the top of the fucking black hole, which is brought fucking, they're super close together where the bubbles are touching because of the fucking high fucking level of gravity, you know, the fucking pull, it fucking twists fucking space together. Or you can go around the black hole, drop down the bottom, like the same way people used to fucking sail around South America to get to fucking England. I think so, or did they do that to get to fucking San Francisco? I can't remember, you know what I'm talking about though? Like if you're in San Francisco and you wanted to get to fucking England, they would always sail all the way down by the road. Well, then they figured out, well, hey, it's easier just to go cut across. So that's how it's possible for fucking two locations be close together and far away at the same time. It's all about how you get there. And so it's the same thing with the multiverse. And so I know that fucking from personal experience. I've been to 6 different universes. Some people call them dimensions, but I like to call them universes because you can go to the same version of San Francisco. It's still 2020. You're going parallel in time. But say the light bulb got invented like 10 years later, everything's totally different. Like they don't have fucking cell phones yet or something. It fucks everything up. So essentially what it is, every time you cross the street, 2 different universes are created, 2 different bubbles. And so like one is where you got hit by the car and one is where you didn't get hit by the car. And so there's infinite numbers of universes. And with the reason why all this is fucking going down right now, and everyone thought the world was going to end in 2012, is because I guess like every 25,000 years, fucking, again, I don't have a formal education, I have a GED. I saw this online the other day. The Milky Way, fucking, our solar system is on the edge of the fucking Milky Way galaxy, right? And so fucking it rotates around the fucking Milky Way galaxy every 25,000 years, right? And so with that, the fucking Milky Way galaxy fucking rotates around our universe every fucking so many years. I don't know, maybe it's every 25 million, maybe it's every 50 million, I'm not sure. So at the same time that fucking our galaxy is on the edge of the universe, our solar system is spun around and is on that side of the thing, so it's like touching the edge of the bubble. If that makes any sense, it probably doesn't. And so the whole thing is the fucking all the bubbles swing like a pendulum. This doesn't make any sense. I don't know, you're gonna have to figure out the math for it. But what it is we've only been watching space for a little bit of time. So remember how everyone thought the universe was expanding? They're like, oh no, we're wrong, it's actually contracting. It's not a fucking expand and contract thing, it's a pendulum. And so what it was when we started tracking, I don't care what your fucking math says, we were just catching it right when it was about to stop. Like it was fucking moving this way, but it was just at the point where it was going to stop, and then now we're watching it fucking drop back down. But if we were to watch it, say, for a million years, I'll bet my life on it, and fucking I'm not going to bet because I already know what time it is. It swings in a pendulum. That's the way the fucking universe works. You should check out Foucault's Pendulum. That was a book I fucking was given when I first came on the fucking scene, and it's about a dude named Mackie Mercer. You know, cold sweat beat at his brow. Supposedly my nickname's supposed to be Mackie Mercer, but when I moved to San Francisco, people were trying to murder me. You know, so I was like, yeah, my nickname's Mackie Mercer, the time traveler, and they're fucking, that's the dude, the pedophile. And so like I stopped using that nickname, and I went back to my original nickname, Latino Johnny, that everybody knows me as, because I don't want people thinking I'm a fucking pedophile. I actually fucking, you know, I'm LGBT, member of HRC, fucking whatnot, various other organizations, and diplomatic liaison for fucking San Francisco and in the multiverse. And yeah, so try and do the math for that. The black hole twists the so just, you know, the fabric of fucking that goes in within the universe is fucking the same. So it's kind of like, I don't think we see the bubbles. Like what we're looking at with the fucking, like when we see across fucking all the galaxies, I think that's hella bubbles. And we just don't see the fucking, because it's like see-through material. Like you look at bubbles, you can see through the bubble. And so we just don't see when it goes into from one universe into another, you know? Fucking but yeah, so that's why I thought the world was gonna end, because right when our fucking the Milky Way was skimming along the edge of the fucking our universe, it was like December 17th, 2012 or some shit like that. And so like right now, who knows, it might be skating along for 10 years, 20 years, 100 years, 1,000 years, I don't know how fucking long it's gonna be skating along the edge, but just so happens our solar system is on that side of the galaxy while our galaxy is on fucking that side of the bubble. And fucking yeah, the bubble, the black hole, the whole point is the black hole doesn't bring our fucking shit within our fucking, within our universe together. It brings hella universes together. It's on a much grander scale than you think. I did it on a towel and it makes sense. And so the thing is like, okay, so you got a towel, right? Trip on this, right? So look at my jacket real quick. You see my jacket, right? Okay, so right here, you got location A. right here you got location B, and right here you got location C. And in the middle is where the star explodes, right? And so then it starts to fucking twist, right? And so then fucking say you're standing right here, okay? Like fucking it's hard to explain. So like say right here, I'm standing right here, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna twist clockwise, right? So I start twisting my jacket clockwise, right? Say this is a fucking a bunch of cosmic strings, right? Okay, this is a bunch of cosmic strings. I'm twisting my jacket clockwise. At the same time, somebody else is over here twisting my jacket crosswise. What happens? It twists it really tight into a fucking into a string like a guitar string. Now, the reason why how two different realities can exist simultaneously is my version of reality is clockwise is this way. Okay, over here, this guy's version of reality is clockwise this way. So that's how, you know, his version of reality is the polar opposite of mine, but we're both here now in the present moment. You know, so how is that possible? It's because he's over there looking this way and I'm over here looking that way. It's not that complicated. That being said, fuck, where was I going with that? The fucking, the whole trip with the cosmic rope is, cosmic rope theory, brought to you by me, Latino Johnny, is it fucking, it gets so tightly wound, right? Because the gravity's hella fucking intense, right? With the fucking black hole. And so it brings, it fucking, it twists the fucking, the cosmic strings into a hella tightly wound rope, just like a guitar string. And that fucking, that cosmic rope gives off a sound or frequency or energy level, if you will. And in order to travel space-time, right, across the fucking, the event horizon of the black hole without getting sucked into the motherfucker is, you have to be able to generate the fucking same frequency, sound or energy level as the cosmic string for that which you're trying to ride. You know what I mean? But it gets all weird because like you got certain galaxies where the bubbles hella smushed together, like the two fucking, think about a bubble bath. Like sometimes the bubbles are fucking hella mushed and sometimes they're just barely touching. So that's what's going on with the space-time portals. So depending on where you go, like people are hella weird or fucking hella violent or fucking it's all fucking trippy. You know, but it just so happens that fucking, if you read the book Focke-Lot's Pendulum, fucking, I had the original one that was signed. It was all about time travel. There's no shit about pedophilia in there. I don't know who got the version about pedophilia, whatever the case may be. I should have never fucking... It's supposed to be top secret. My nickname was Mackie Mercer. Anyways, I was born in 86. Fucking, the whole point is that the fucking Focke-Lot's Pendulum, when it's at either pole, it takes 24 hours for it to go around. Right? In the book, they talk about time travel being relative from 24 hours to 36 hours. The people who are stationary in time experience 24 hours, while the people who travel time experience 36 hours. So you can get like an extra 12 hours a day. Well, in the book, it just so happens that that's how they explain it. Well, there's only one location on planet Earth where it takes 36 hours for fucking, it just, or not one location, but it just so happens here in San Francisco, California, that it takes 36 hours for the pendulum to go around. And what do you know? There's a book about time travel where fucking, you know, the ratio from fucking stationary time to time travel is 36 hours. So yeah, there you go. Fuck you.